Welcome to Best Reviews, the channel where we explore the newest innovations in modern living. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at 5 smart toilets released in 2025, each designed to bring technology, comfort, and hygiene together in one seamless experience. Let's get started. Number 5. Kohler Leap. The Kohler Leap. Smart Toilet features a one-piece elongated design with integrated bidet technology and a clean, modern aesthetic. It offers a dual flush system of 1.0 or 1.28 gallons per flush for water efficiency, along with comfort height seating for easier use. The toilet includes a motion-activated lid, heated seat with adjustable temperature, warm air drying, and an automatic deodorization system. A stainless steel bidet wand provides adjustable spray modes such as shape, pressure, and temperature, with UV light self-cleaning for added hygiene. Control is made simple through a handheld remote, and an emergency flush feature ensures usability during power outages. Number 4. Bazyths Smart Toilet. It includes an automatic lid that opens and closes with motion detection, along with foot sensor flush technology for hands-free operation. Users can choose between rear and front bidet washing, both with instant warm water and a warm air dryer. The heated seat provides adjustable temperature settings, while the rimless ceramic bowl and self-cleaning nozzle help maintain hygiene. Its quiet yet powerful flushing system operates efficiently even in low water pressure conditions. Some models include a child-friendly mode and customizable options to suit different needs. Number 3. Hindware Automate Imperial. The Hindware Automate Imperial Smart Toilet from Hindware's Italian collection showcases a minimalist, tankless design that saves space and offers modern appeal. It features presence-sensing technology for automatic lid and seat movement, as well as pre- and post-flush cycles that help prevent stains and buildup. Users can access oscillating water spray, warm air drying, and heated seat options, all adjustable through an LCD display or remote control. Additional features include foot touch flush control, deodorization, 3D massage cleansing, and a GurmeClean system for advanced hygiene. Its wall-mounted design and customizable settings make it suitable for both residential and commercial environments where luxury and cleanliness are priorities. Number 2. Parryware Intellectra. The Parryware Intellectra Smart Toilet is a modern, floor-mounted design built for efficiency and comfort. It uses a siphonic flushing system for strong waste removal and a P-trap outlet for reliable waste management. The soft close seat minimizes noise and enhances durability. Constructed from high-quality ceramic with a glossy finish, it offers an elegant appearance that is also easy to clean. With user-friendly controls and a focus on functionality, the Intellectra adds a refined touch to modern bathrooms while emphasizing comfort and hygiene. Number 1. CANEST FC-002SE. It includes a smart seat sensor that activates automatically, a foam shield protection system for cleaner use, and a precision nozzle descaling function for hygiene maintenance. Comfort adjustments include 6 levels of seat heating, seasonal temperature sensing, and a warm air dryer. Other conveniences include an auto-open, close lid, foot flush sensor, and LED night light for visibility. An LED display and remote control make settings easy to manage, while dual flush options reduce water use. Made from durable ceramic and designed for easy installation, it provides a modern, hands-free experience with attention to both cleanliness and user comfort. These 5 smart toilets released in 2025 highlight how technology continues to transform everyday living. Each one brings together design, comfort, and intelligent automation for a cleaner, more efficient bathroom experience. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in smart home technology. Thanks for watching Best Reviews, where innovation meets comfort.